Attention, personal brands. Here's the digital marketing plan. So, ito yung plan. Traffic na free at saka paid. Ito yung mga social media traffic. Basically, there are 6 major source of traffic right now. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X. Dito naman, I suggest Facebook and Instagram, paid traffic. Tapos, kailangan mo silang dalhin sa landing page. Ito naman, ang purpose nito is to collect their name and email para ma-follow up natin sila through email. Email follow up. Ito, pwede tayo mag-offer ng valuable content dito para mag-give value sa audience. Pag valuable yung ino-offer natin dito sa follow up, meron na tayong right to sell. Dito na tayo magbebenta ng services. Yan yung digital marketing plan. Kung may question ka regarding this, mag-DM ka lang and we'll connect and contact with you. Thank you and see you in the next video.